To my BTR1 or BTR1 Advanced X, as mentioned, I can pair 3 other intercoms. So my device plus 3 others makes a total of 4 devices. With the other intercoms, I can talk in intercom, so 2 at a time, or in multi intercom, so in 3 or a maximum of 4 altogether. Now let's look at an example of pairings to talk in intercom and in multi intercom. We have 4 intercoms between BTR1 and BTR1 Advanced X. As mentioned, the user interface and functions are the same, as are the pairings. So I'll proceed by turning on all 4 intercoms. I press the center button and the down button for a few seconds until the blue flashing is confirmed. And now I'll proceed with pairing the first 2 intercoms, and I'll pair them on the center button. So I hold down the center button on both and wait for the red and blue pairing flash to end. The first 2 intercoms are paired on the center button. Now I'll pair the second intercom using one of the other remaining buttons to the third intercom. I press the up button on the second intercom and the up button on the third intercom. On the third intercom, I could have chosen any button. I'll wait in this case too for the red and blue flash to end for the pairing to be completed. Good. The last pairing procedure I'll perform between intercom number 3 on its down button and intercom number 4 by convention, also on the down button. Let's wait for this last pairing to also finish successfully, just to be sure. There it is. The first 2 intercoms have been paired on the center button. By double-clicking on the center button, I open communication only between these 2 intercoms. A double-click on the center button closes the communication between these 2 intercoms, but I also paired intercom number 2 to intercom number 3. So, remembering which button I paired the 2 intercoms on, in this case the up button, a double click opens the communication between intercom number 2 and intercom number 3, which are currently talking to each other. If I also want to talk to intercom number 1, so intercoms 2 and 3, in addition to talking to each other, add intercom 1 to the communication, I just have to open the communication to intercom 1 as well, without closing the communication with intercom 3. So we see that the purple lights for open audio are visible on all 3 devices. So these 3 intercom are talking to each other in multi-intercom mode. I can add a 4th and final device. So remembering which button I paired intercom 4 with, I'll click to open on this intercom without closing the communication with the others. I had paired it on the down button. Let's wait a few seconds, and now the 4th intercom has also joined the multi-intercom communication. A couple of additional pieces of information. While I'm communicating with the other intercoms, if I want to close 2 audio channels at once, so not closing the audio for, say, intercom number 4 and then intercom number 2, I hold down the center button and I'll close the audio with both intercoms simultaneously. If I want to be able to open the intercom individually to the other 3 intercoms, I'll have to pair all 3 intercoms to my intercom. So as intercom number 1, I've only paired intercom number 2 to the center button. But if I want to be able to speak directly with intercom number 3 as well, I'll use one of the 2 remaining free pairings to one of the 2 remaining free pairings on intercom number 3. Same thing. My 3rd and final pairing can be done with one of the 2 remaining free buttons on intercom number 4. We must remember that to communicate with 4 intercom at the same time, each intercom has the ability to open a maximum of 2 intercoms simultaneously. What does that mean? In the configuration between 1, 2, 3, and 4, intercom number 2 can open the intercom to intercom number 1 and intercom number 3. So these 3 intercoms are talking simultaneously, but it can't always be number 2 that also opens to the other intercom. It will have to be either intercom number 1 or intercom number 3 to open to number 4. Why? Because intercom number 2 has already opened 2 intercoms. It cannot open a 3rd one. It's possible to talk in multi-intercom, even with intercoms of other brands. remembering the rule that of the 2 intercoms that can be opened, only one can be an intercom of another brand. So let's look at 2 examples. This configuration is possible, and this configuration is also possible because the 2 central intercoms open to an intercom of another brand and a Midland intercom to an intercom of another brand, but to a Midland intercom.